I want to print this spreadsheet out, and I want to make sure that the first row is printed at the top of every page and that columns A and B are printed at the left of every page. So I'll go to the Page Layout tab, and I can select options off of this ribbon, but instead I'll go down to the Launch button in the Sheet Options. This brings up the Page Setup dialog box. For the print area, I'll leave that alone because I want to print everything. Then in the Rows to Repeat at the top, I'll click there and I'll point to row 1. Next, I'll click in the Columns to Repeat at the left, and I'll select columns A and B. I'd also like to have the row and column headings show up, and then I'll go to Print Preview. The way it will be printing is down, and then it will go over. But instead, I'd like it to print over and then down. So I'll go back to the Page Setup link, and I'll go to the Sheet tab, and I'll change it to over, then down. And now it will print over and then down.